I can just stop loving my hair. It's so healthy. This is the healthiest it's ever been.
Really?
And yes, and I just give all the praise to this. All the praise to this. It's the healthiest my hair ever been is because of this hair oil.
Look at your brow! Oh my gosh, I wasn't even paying attention! Girl!
So I use the Henricka Beauty hair growth oil, of course. And as you can see, it's very easy to apply. You just twist and you just do your application. I'll put the link on the description box below, so that way you can also get some growth. So you see how easy this bottle it is to apply. I am just doing this and all the oils is coming out, and I'm actually squeezing the right amount that I need. Look how thick the oil is. See, just look, it's very thick. Yeah, because it's natural stuff. So as you can see, my hair is now hydrated. As you can see, it is not hungry, it's not thirsty no more, it's hydrated.